Hey y'all, it's Nate Franklin and I'm here with my first lock tutorial. I'm going to show you how I went from orange to this very fiery red. First, you'll need rubber bands, gloves, a mixing bowl and brush, a shower cap, hair dye. I went with the Aloe brand in the colors Orange Blaze and Sunshine Orange. And I'm going to try Taliah Waajid's Apple Aloe shampoo and leave-in conditioner. Going in with my gloves, I'm going to take the rubber band to section my hair into 3 parts. Make sure you have them nice and separated. Don't worry, I did untuck that rebellious piece back there. Going in with the Aloe hair color, I'll be using 2 bottles of Orange Blaze and 1 bottle of Sunshine Orange. I use more of the Orange Blaze to give a brightening effect to my hair. Mix the colors real good and get ready to evenly distribute it to your hair. I started applying the hair color with the brush, but it was a lot easier to just use my gloves to get the color through my locks completely. When coloring your locks, you do have to make sure you go underneath and cover the entire lock with color. This helps to avoid lighter parts of the lock. Once you apply the color, put the hair into a bun to move it out of the way while you finish the other section. Ooh, now we have this bomb color. I honestly didn't expect it to come out that way. It's actually going to look like what you see here after letting the color sit. We're going to put the cap on and sit for about 30 minutes. I think I sat for about 45 minutes because I went to get something to eat and watch a little TV. This shampoo is the truth. If you haven't tried Taliah Waajid's Apple and Aloe shampoo, I can tell you right now, it is literally the truth. It really felt like a conditioner, but it's a shampoo. And it was very moisturizing for my hair. My hair really loved it. Here are a few shots of the color after I washed it and applied leave-in conditioner. The next day, after I retwisted my new growth and styled it into 2-strand twists, I applied Taliah Waajid's Apple and Aloe leave-in conditioner to keep my hair moisturized and let it air dry. I spray leave-in conditioner in my hair about every other day. It is very, very important to moisturize your locks, especially when you have color. Here's the final product. I love, love, love this color. Let me know what you guys think and comment if you'd like to see more videos. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.